Hello guys, this is Oz coming to you with another video from All Things Oz. Today we are going to be reviewing this Lego Technic helicopter that I got from Christmas, and I got it from one of my friends in Germany from Kaiserslautern. Her name is Claire, so if you're watching this video, thank you so much for this helicopter. It's very cool. So we're gonna look at this helicopter. I'm gonna show you all the cool things it can do. It's a rescue helicopter, and I like how it comes with this medic bay thing. I don't know what you would call that, I forgot. But I like how it comes with that. I may not know the name, but I know what it's used for. So without further ado, let's get into it. So first we can take a look at this. So it's big enough to lay a Lego person in it, and there's a hook on the side of the helicopter that's gonna grapple onto this right here. And if you want, the person can probably like sit, and I'm pretty sure the Lego hands can grip onto this piece. It's thick enough. So if you want them more secure, you can do that. You can also put, it's better to show you. So let me take the helicopter. So we have a person right here. Let me get him out. So we have a person right here, which is from another Lego set. It's from a Ninjago set. So like what I just said, you can probably get this to hold on right there. Come on, get in. Okay. And then you can just like try to sit right there. I don't know. That would probably mess up with the hook, but it is what it is. And you can detach them the other way. So they have these holes in here. So this thing gets detached. And then you can like put those holes on those stubs right there, and then they can just like, that will also secure them. And then you can take the helicopter, and it has this hook, which is operated by this winch right here, so you can lower it, raise it, however. Right now I'm gonna lower it so we have more space to attach the bay thingy. And it goes right there, and then you can bring the person up. Yippee, I'm saved! So that's pretty cool. I like that aspect. And the gray piece, let me see if I can get, yeah. This gray piece right here is flexible plastic. The med bay is not. So just so you know, this is flexible plastic. So you can actually, and I don't think it's designed this way, but you could probably do it like this. Take the person off. You could do it like that. And you could do it like that, and that. And I guess that could work. It would actually give you more space to push the person on. So that could actually work. Yeah. So we're gonna look at the helicopter now. Like I said, this is operated by this winch, so you can bring the hook up. Some things I added on, like these two red lights, I just added that on. I also added on this and this. I think that's all that I added though. So if you pull it this way, it goes down, and if you pull it this way, it goes up. Also, when I do this one, it not only does it spin the top one right there, but if I zoom the camera out, it spins both of them, which goes through. There's some gears in there that go to here, and that spins, that thing spins, and it's connected to that gear right there, which is connected to this one, which spins this simultaneously with this. So that's pretty cool. Another one is that here you can open the doors on both sides and put a person right through. What is that? Oh, let me just use the guy's hat. Can go right through. Where is that guy? Oh, I put him on the med bay. Here. So, yeah. Though the thing right here usually kind of gets in the way, so might want to move that out of the way. Back here they have a place where I guess you would slide the person in or something, and then just close that. And at the beginning of the video you saw that he could sit right there. You can actually have two people, and I don't know if these things are supposed to be like sticks or something else. So yeah, this piece can open up. I don't know why. I guess for sunroof. Yay for sunroofs. But that's really it. The color is white and red. It has these, I don't know what you call them. I forgot. But yeah, that's really it to the helicopter. It has rescue 42092, same thing on the other side. Rescue 42092. It has the blade thingy, McDoodles. But yeah, that's really it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was pretty fun, and I enjoyed making it. So hopefully you guys look into Technic Legos, because they are very cool and very awesome. So for now, that's all I have, and I'll see you guys later. Oz out.